Welcome back to my channel. I know. I look different. You guys, I have not gotten weave in like 2 years, so this is huge. I got my hair done by Sammy. I will link everything down below. But that's not what I came here to talk to you guys about today. I have another haul. Whoa, Fashion Nova. And I got a whole bunch of stuff and I'm super excited to show them to you. So stay tuned and let's get in the video. So the first item that I got was a black give and take midi dress in a size small. It's super cute. You know, I'll stand straight. This is what it looks like, but you know, you finesse a little curve into it. It's super cute. I got this so that way I can, I don't know. It's nice, I like it. The next item that I got were these sandals. They're the white eyes on you sandals. I think they are so cute. I mean, these are like slides, you know what I'm saying? You just wear them out and just, with my all black, with my pop of white, and you can't see, but I have pink toes, so it just rocks. The next item that I got was this 2-piece orange suit that is so cute. Like, okay, look, where am I going? Looking like a highlighter. What is it? Chocolate orange. Ooh. Wow, this is so cute. It's really bright because like when I first saw it on the website, it looked like more of a pastel orange, but this is fine too, you know, like. It has this really cool detailing. So it's like this. I guess you could tie it in a bow behind you. But on the website, the model, she had it tied to the front of her. So that's exactly what I am doing. Yes. Okay. One no scrub is a good can't get enough from me. So the next thing I got was this super cute light wash denim, like oversized shirt dress that I love, okay? This is for when I'm, you know, on my tomboy but still sexy, you know, but conservative, you feel me, ish. And I got this, I feel like it's so cute because I can like put shirts underneath it and like a skirt or a dress or a top and some jeans and just have this like super nice cover up. I can layer this or wear it as is and I'm feeling it. Oh, yes. Hello, yes. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you over this wealth. No, chic vibe that this black denim dress was giving. No, seriously, this is like probably one of my favorite things from this haul. It's so cute and dressy, like it's form-fitting. It has distressed details, you know. I like it a lot. Yes. Oh, this the one. This is cute, right? It's very cute. I love it a lot. This slit though. Ooh. Oh, it comes with shorts. It comes with shorts. And yeah, it's really cute. I love the color. It's very thin. It looks like wrinkly. I really had a lot of confidence that night because I would not wear this to someone's. It's cute. I wore it and I got compliments, so it works. This is so a color, a vibe, a slit. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry, yes. My name is Fallon. My number, oh, I'm sorry. I don't give out my number. So, the next thing that I have is this white romper with a, you know, it's wrap or whatever. It doesn't really wrap, it just looks like it. And then it has a string to tie. And it's a romper, but it gives the illusion that it's a dress. And I think it is cute AF. Cute AF, right? Because it has built-in shorts, okay? And it's really cute. Don't get me wrong, right? It's very nice length in the front, very nice in the back. But on the side, you feel me? It's a little short, you know what I'm saying? But I'm getting out of my comfort zone, so best believe I will be wearing this out and about. Either to like a brunch, or to the mall, or out. Check me out. I'm joking. Who do I think I am? Okay, so I really like shapewear from Fashion Nova because they get it right, okay? So this is like a U-bra that has a deep plunge for the boob. Why did I do all of that? Okay, it has a deep plunge for the boob, so that way if you wear like deep V-cut shirts or dresses or whatever, you don't see your bra, and it gives you lift. I'm about to try this on with the next white dress that I got. Stay tuned. First of all, the girls are sitting, okay? This is with the bra, okay? The bra is like this. It has a really deep plunge or whatever. But this is it, okay? Look. Yes. Can you please park the Rolls Royce on the side? Thank you. I'll take the jet today. Thank you. I mean, with this bra, you can still kind of see like the, what is it? You can still kind of see the bra. So I either need to not move or get maybe boob tape to hold it and keep it together so it doesn't move. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, it's a really cute, like, it's a very fun twist on like the shirt dress, you know, like it has the cinch detailing at the waist, and I'm living for this. It's so revealing but cute. You called for Fallon? Yes, I'm here. Thank you so much. Yes. It's great to meet me too, right? I'm joking. I got a black dress that zips in the bike. I don't know what it is, but me and zippers, we just don't get along. Oh, never mind, I got it. Okay, so this dress is very cute. It has lace detailing on the sleeve. It has like a cap sleeve, right? Nice little weavage going on. Whoa. And it's A-line, I guess you would call this. I don't know why I'm trying to pretend like I know the terminology. It's a nice fitted bodycon with a square back and these cute sleeves and this lace detailing right here. I got this for one of my fancy dates, dinner dates. Like, yes, pull my seat out for me while I sit. Yes, okay. Oh, my napkin. Yes. Delicious. I love this so much. Again, with the boobage thing, I might need to just get what is it called, fabric tape, to make sure like these stay in place. But other than that, this is the winner. This is the one. This is the one. Also, I might be kind of biased because black is my favorite color, and I always love to wear black, so it feels like anything that is black automatically gets a 10 for me. The next item that I got were these super cute, right? High-waisted black denim flare, okay, flare cut jeans that have 2 slits in the middle. These are my top 5 jeans that I love so much. Okay, so I'm 5'7" and I have an inseam of 32 inches, I think, and these are like 34, 35. They drag, and that's so rare to find, and I'm so grateful. Like, I love these so much. And I paired this with a black wrap shirt that I got, and this is like about to be my staple. Like, my new go-to. You know, I gotta turn away from the boobs, you know? But, right? How cute. Right? 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 Wow. This is such a cute pair. I just look good. I look good. I look fly. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, I'd like a sparkling water, please. With, excuse me. I'd like a sparkling mineral water with a wedge of lime, please. Thank you. The last 2 clothing pieces that I got were in tribute to the original Hot Girls, you know. Got some good low-rise jeans, okay, and a very cute, like, lace detail bralette, okay. So these jeans are also long enough for me, but they're not as long as the black jeans, and they're light wash, and they have boot cut. I love flare or boot cut. Those are my favorite kind of jeans ever. Like, ever. I love them so much. This is so funny because when I was little, I used to hate them. Now that I'm grown, I love them. I planned when I originally got this, I envisioned myself wearing this white top underneath this denim dress just to compensate for not wearing real clothes, right? I look fly. I look good. I got another pair of shoes. These snake print nude heels. They remind me so much of the 90s. It's freaking insane. Like, tell me, right? And I love them so much. I think they're so cute. At the end of the day, these your feet. You need to be confident with them, whether they done or not. Conversations that I have with myself. Can you see this? Alright guys, that's it for this haul. I hope you guys super duper enjoyed it. This was so much fun to film. I literally love everything that I got, you know, except for that orange dress that was questionable. But overall, I'd rate this haul about a 9 or a 10. 8 out of 10. What do you guys think? Let me know if you like my hair, if you like any of the items. I'm going to link every single item down below so you can click the link, you feel me, unless it's sold out. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram again. And only follow me on Instagram. And just leave a comment. It was fun, you know. Come back again. Love you. Peace out.